film and harass people. Get off.
Captain Bissard, I'm moving around. I keep moving around.
Okay, get off. Leave.
I can't
Leave.
move. Freedom fighters, it's freedom news now. We're on the front lines in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County Sheriff's Department for a First Amendment night audit. This is actually an early morning audit. Jackson County Office of the Sheriff. Sheriff Stephen Rand. The Sheriff Stephen Rand, he's facing multiple lawsuits right now. So Sheriff Rand, he's being sued, he's being accused of being a racist, a bigot, and these accusations are coming from his own Lieutenant Schutte, and a former sheriff deputy. So these are coming from allegedly highly credible sources. They're coming from 2 police officers from within the department. Everyone from the commissioners, county commissioners, city commissioners. They're trying to get Rand recalled, but he won't step down. Rand refuses to admit any wrongdoing. That's typical of police. It's because they're used to having the judges, the prosecutors, everyone else in their little echo chamber patting each other on the back, telling them how great they are and how they're always right, how they're never wrong. Okay, there's a Sally Port, the rear of the building. Okay, here's the front of the Jackson County Office of the Sheriff. Above the Sheriff's Department, there is a jail. You can see the bars on the windows. This is the downtown jail. I published a video on the Channer Road jail, the Channer Road facility. See, the flags are at half staff, half mast. Jackson County Office of the Sheriff, Sheriff Stephen P. Rand. Administration, gun registration. Gun registration equals gun confiscation, guys. That's all that is. And the Jackson County Sheriff can know where all the firearms are when it comes time to come confiscate them.
Guess you got your right to do it.
How you doing this morning?
Very good.
Good.
What you got here, Dylan?
Just taking pictures, making sure everybody makes it to work safe today after the long holiday.
Oh, you work with them up there?
Huh?
You work with them up there?
No.
Oh.
I'm Freedom News now.
Oh, you're with the news?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a sheriff's deputy with no headlights on. No lights on at all. And it's dark out. They're above the law. They're like sovereigns. Laws don't apply to them. Laws don't apply to sovereigns. Okay, you see this deputy has his lights on. He's following the law. This deputy's now following the law. Put his seatbelt. No, he's not. He's driving with a. He's got his computer operating while he's driving. He's got his computer open. Okay, they just talked about me. They said the cop block guys out here talking when I drove by. That's how afraid they are of transparency and accountability. There's Captain
You're
Bissard.
gonna film and harass people. Get off.
Captain Bissard. I'm
Go off, get
moving.
off
I'm
the
moving
property.
around. I keep moving around.
Okay, get off. Leave.
I can't
Leave.
move.
10 seconds.
So I can't be on the sidewalk?
Nope.
Freedom lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe for the best ID refusal First Amendment audit fail YouTube videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment audit. I'm out.